Baby bus.
The spring trip has begun.
Yes!
Barbecue.
I love veggie skewers the best. I like this flavor. I like this flavor.
What should we barbecue?
I want to eat shrimp. Could you grill a corn on the cob for me? I like this flavor. I want to add this seasoning. I want to add this seasoning. I want to add this seasoning.
What should we barbecue?
Could you grill a corn on the cob for me? I want to eat a big shrimp. I want fish. I like this flavor. I want to add this seasoning. Add some seasoning for me, please. I like this flavor. Add some seasoning for me, please. I want to add this seasoning.
Picnic time. Let's pick a pretty picnic blanket. Everyone is here for the picnic. So happy.
I want this one.
Delicious donuts. Who wants one?
I don't want to eat this. I want this one.
Let's cut the cake. Who wants some?
I don't want to eat this. I don't want to eat this. I want this one.
What kind of spread should be put on the crackers?
I don't want to eat this. I don't want to eat this.
some milk for your little friends to drink. Who wants some?
I don't want to drink this.
When the picnic is over, we must clean up to keep our environment clean. Pitching a tent. Time to pitch a tent. Triangular tent. Set up the frame first. 1, 2, 3. Once the frame is set up, use tape to secure it. Tie it a few times around. Choose a tent that you like. Inflatable tent. First, we must inflate the tent. Choose a tent that you like. Pull 2 ropes so the tent won't be blown away. 1, 2, round top tent. Pull the hook to hoist the tent up. Hammer 4 nails to secure the tent. One, 2, 3, 4. Choose a tent that you like. Yay! The tent is up, and we can go into it now.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Starting a fire. Chop some wood to start a fire. Slide, slide, chop some wood. Be careful of the beehive. When you chop and open a piece of wood that has stars, those stars will be yours. Super big piece of wood! Chop, chop, chop! Wow, firewood! Next, we are going to start a fire by drilling wood. Drill, drill. Look, the piece of wood is starting to smoke. Kiki, come quick, blow some air. The fire is started!
Bye bye, kids.